See the fourth problem. The potential energy function for a particle executing linear simple harmonic motion is given by the given V of x is equal to kx square by 2, where k is the force constant of the oscillator. For k is equal to 0.5 Newton per meter. The graph Vx versus x is shown in the figure. Show that a particle of total energy 1 joule moving under this potential must turn back when it reaches x is equal to plus or minus 2. What is the meaning of that question is, one particle is oscillating, or simple pendulum you take, easy understanding. For example, it started from here, this simple pendulum. It came to here. It came to here, and again it went to here. These two positions will be called extreme positions. This will be called mean position. These two will be what? Extreme. This will be what? Extreme. At mean position, total energy is in the form of kinetic energy. At extreme position, total energy is in the form of potential energy. Point is understanding? At extreme position, velocity, what will happen? 0. Then only it will comes back. Na? Velocity 0 means kinetic energy is 0. So total energy will be in which format? Potential energy format at extreme positions. At mean position, velocity will be 0. So total energy position will be 0. So potential energy is 0. So total energy is in the form of kinetic energy. What they are asking is, a particle is there, its energy is 1 joule, so that show that at x is equal to 2 meter, it is turning back. Like that they are asking. We know total energy is equal to PE plus KE at extreme positions. KE is equal to 0. Therefore, total energy is equal to PE. They gave potential energy formula is half kx square. So total energy is equal to half kx square. Total energy they gave 1 joule. This is 1 by 2. Spring constant or force constant they gave it as 0.5. They asked to find the value of x. Show that x is equal to plus or minus 2. You prove. Like that they asked. So this will be what will happen. 0.5 means 1 by 2 only. 1 is equal to x square by 4. 1 by 2.5 means 1 by 2. Na? 2 will be 4. So x square by 4 means x square is equal to 4. X is equal to plus or minus 2. Unit will be meter. So plus or minus 2 meter. They asked you to prove x is equal to plus or minus 2 meter. We proved this one. Next, fifth question. What they are asking. See. The casing of a rocket in a flight burn up due to friction. At whose expense is that heat energy required for burning obtained, the rocket or the atmosphere? rocket suddenly from the space, one rocket suddenly entered into the atmosphere. Because of that, some suddenly atmosphere will create resistance force for that rocket. Due to that, what will happen? Sometimes firing will happen for that rocket. So some years back, Kalpana Chawla, she is also died because of that reason only. From the space, their rocket entered into that Indian scientist, Indian, not she is astronaut working in NASA. They went to the space. When it is entering, that is, space shuttle is entering into the Earth's atmosphere, suddenly fire has came. Because of that fire, that space shuttle has collapsed and that Kalpana Chawla has died. So here what will happen, see, at what expense this heat energy, what is the reason for that heat energy? Reason for heat energy will be because the mass of the layer of that rocket will melt. Because of that, heat energy will be produced. That mass will be converted into energy. Their atmosphere is not converting into energy. Atmosphere is applying resistive force on that mass layer, rocket layer, it will create the resistive force. Because of that resistive force, this mass will convert into energy. So what is the for burning, what is the reason? Either rocket or atmosphere means rocket only the reason. Rocket's mass is converted into energy, heat energy, not atmosphere. Okay, this is A. Next, B. Comets move around the sun in highly elliptical orbits. Okay. The gravitational force on the comet due to the sun is not normal to the comet's velocity in general, yet the work done by the gravitational force over every complete cycle of orbit of the comet is 0. Why? Okay. Here sun is there. One comet is revolving around the sun in elliptical orbit. At all positions, force and displacement may not be in perpendicular directions. Here gravitational force will be like this. Here displacement will be like this. For example, somewhere if you take displacement will be like this, force will be like this. The angle between force and displacement is not equal to 90 degrees. When angle between force and displacement is 90 degrees, what will happen? Work done is equal to Fs cos 90. So cos 90 is 0. Work done will be 0. So what they are asking question, when a comet is revolving around the sun in elliptical orbit, at all situations, angle between force and displacement is not 90 degrees. Though work done by the comet to complete one circle, one rotation, one revolution around the sun is equal to 0. Why? That is the question. Here, the force between sun and the comet will be gravitational force. Gravitational forces are conservative forces. What are conservative forces? What are non-conservative forces? Work done by the force. Who will do the work? Force will only do the work. Work done by the force is independent on the path followed by the body. Then that force will be called as the conservative force. A force did some work. Okay? A force did some work. But that work is independent on the path followed by the body. Then that work force will be called as the conservative force. Okay. A force did some work. That work depends on the path followed by the body. In which path that body has moved. On that path, this work is dependent. Then this force will be called as the non-conservative force. So, if work done by a force is independent on the path followed by the body, that force will be conservative force. Work done by the force is independent on the dependent on the path followed by the body, then that force will be called non-conservative force. Gravitational force, Coulomb force, all these are examples for conservative forces. Frictional force, buoyantic force, viscous force, these are resistive forces, are examples for non-conservative forces. So here force is conservative. Gravitational force is there between sun and the comet. Gravitational force is conservative. Work done by the conservative force in one complete cycle is always 0. That's why work done here is equal to 0. Write like this. The force between sun and comet is gravitational force. The force between sun and comet is gravitational force. Gravitational force is conservative force. Work done by conservative force in one complete cycle is always 0. That's why in this case work done will be equal to 0. Next, another one. See. What they are asking, see. An artificial satellite orbiting the earth is very thin atmosphere. In very thin atmosphere loses its energy gradually due to its dissipation against atmospheric resistance, however small. Why then does its speed increases progressively as it comes closer and closer to the earth? Okay. Why then its energy is decreasing, but when it is coming down, coming towards the earth, its speed is gradually increasing. Speed should decrease. Why it is not decreasing? Understanding? One artificial satellite is there. It came into the Earth's atmosphere, and atmosphere will create resistive force. But because of that resistive force, its velocity should increase. decrease, its velocity should decrease, but its velocity is increasing when it is coming towards the earth. This is the earth. Here one satellite is there. This is Earth's atmosphere, let it be. Here it is there. When it enters into the Earth's atmosphere will create resistive force. It will try to oppose that motion. But when the satellite is coming towards the Earth, its velocity will increase. Why? What is the reason? When it is coming closer towards the Earth, gravitational force will increase. So gravitation, comparing to this resistive force, gravitational force magnitude will be more. That's why its velocity is increasing. Understanding? Or in other words, what we can say, the total energy of the satellite is constant. When the satellite is coming towards the Earth, its potential energy value will decrease. So its kinetic energy value will increase. We can write any one, no problem. When satellite is coming towards Earth, its P will decrease. So its Ke will increase. So its Ke will increase because total energy of system remains constant. Ke is increasing means velocity is increasing. Next, last, last D. In figure, the man walks 2 meters carrying a mass of 2 kg on his hands. He walks the same distance pulling the rope behind him. The rope goes over a pulley of mass 15 kg, hangs at the other end, in which case the work done is greater. So this is the 15 kg. I am the man. I am going like this. First case. In the first case, what will happen? Here this is 15 kg. Its weight is like this. Okay. So man should apply the force in this direction. He is holding that. Displacement is like this. Angle between force and displacement will be what? 90 degrees. Here theta is 90 degrees. W is equal to Fs cos 90. So work done value will be equal to 0. Second case, what he is doing? This is rope. That man is pulling the rope like this. His displacement is also in the same direction. W is equal to Fs cos 0. This value is equal to Fs. So F value is equal to weight. So what will happen? This is equal to mg into s. They gave m as 15. G value is 9.8. Displacement, he walks 2 meters. So 30 into 9.8, 398. 30 into 9.8, 98 threes, 294. So if he is carrying the load, work value will be equal to 0. If he is pulling the rope, work done by him will be 294. In which case more work done will be there means in pulling the rope more work is done by the man. In pulling the rope, more work is done by the man. Okay. Next, after finishing of that, question number 6, you see, underline the correct alternative. What they are asking, see, underline the, they are asking, underline the correct alternative. Okay, 6.6. A. When a conservative force does positive work on a body, the potential energy of the body will decreases. Conservative force, work done by the force is positive, they give, means body is moving towards central force. So PE will decrease. I will explain, take one example to understand this. Here this is earth. Here one body is there. By applying some force, I moved this body from here to here. So work done by that force is positive, means body is moving towards the central force. So here height will be more, here height will be less. So what happened to the potential energy? Decreases. So work done by the conservative force is positive, means body is moving towards the central force, means potential energy will decreases. Increases, decreases, remains unaltered. In this, one option will be correct. Find the correct option means decreases. Next, second, work done by a body against friction. Work done by a body against friction always results in a loss of kinetic energy or potential energy, means kinetic energy. Work done against friction is due to there is a velocity of the body will decrease, means there is a loss of kinetic energy. The rate of change of total momentum of many particle system is proportional to external force by sum of internal forces of the system. Rate of change of momentum is directly proportional to external force. Internal forces not. So for C, answer will be external force. Next, D. In an inelastic collision of two bodies, the quantities which do not change after the collision are total kinetic energy, total linear momentum, total energy. In inelastic collision, what will be conserved means momentum. Linear momentum will be conserved. Kinetic energy will not be conserved. Clear? And one more, what will be conserved is total energy for any system that will be conserved. So total energy. So total kinetic energy will not be conserved, but linear momentum and total energy will be conserved. Okay, enough for this. Today we will stop this up to problem number 23 are there. Successfully we completed 6 problems. We'll stop now today for this. We'll continue the remaining still 2 days maximum. Means daily 2 videos are coming now. So maximum in 2-3 days we'll try to finish the problematic part in work power energy also. Any doubt is there, you have my number, just call to me, clarify the doubts, all of you. If you don't have my number, take my number, this is my number, just WhatsApp or call to me, ask your doubts and try to improve the subject. Okay, we'll stop now.